Hey guys, today we're at the Chattanooga Zoo down here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're just going to be doing a walkthrough showing you all of the animals and their exhibits. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining.
Online, they have a thing you can do like a interactive chimpanzee maybe on that wall right now.
It's a pretty cool statue.
Like it's gone right now.
The big playground over there, a big sports complex.
But it looks decent.
Hey guys, today we're at the Chattanooga Zoo
Looks like
down
it
here in
goes
Chattanooga,
Africa,
Tennessee. We're just going to be
then
doing a
to the
walkthrough showing you all of the
forest and
animals and their
jungle,
exhibits.
then it
Hope you guys
transfers
enjoyed
to
today's
desert.
video. If you do like it, please like and
This looks
subscribe
like
to the channel.
walking tracks. This almost looks
Thanks
like
for joining.
Where it has deer and cougars, and then monkeys like that. So it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a
Hard to see
ranch
behind
thing. It
that.
looks like maybe.
Yeah. I think Brandy, Katrina, Scott, and Shirley. It's 4 of them. They're all born in the 80s. Gombe Bears. Here, let's go in here. It's hot, so maybe most of them are inside. How you doing? Oh, they're there. There's 2 back there. There's 1 over there. Right there. How you doing?
We're doing well, and you?
Good. What do you have going on here?
Well, this is just some information about our chimpanzees. We have 2 girls that just turned 40, and then we have a boy and a girl who are 37 going on 38.
That's crazy.
And these 2 painted this.
Did that?
That's
I was just
cool.
mentioning, I saw their ages out there. They're born in the 80s. They're pretty old.
Yeah, I mean, they're 30, well, we have 2 that are 37 and 2 that are now 40s.
How old do they live to be?
Well, you know, just like people, that varies a lot. But 40 is very old.
Really?
Now.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
So,
That's really
I mean,
old.
the record is I think 672 actually, but that was we're not 100% certain that that's true. Supposedly Johnny Weissmuller's chimp lived to 72, but I'm not sure I believe that.
Yeah.
But in zoo care, there've been a couple that made it to their 60s.
Yeah, with the right care.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, longer than in the wild.
Is there anything back there? Or?
Well, you can see the cranes from a different perspective.
Okay. Let's loop around outside. Wanna go back outside, Noah? Thank you.
Is there any type of animal you're looking to see more than the
No,
other?
it's our first time here.
Okay.
So he's only 9 months, so he's not really paying attention too much.
Yeah, he'd be like, ooh, a squirrel.
Yeah.
Or
Here's the crane.
Lettuce. Don't pet them. And we're gonna wait for these people to be done. Because the only ones eating right now is these guys. Hello.
Can we wait right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now that feet. Wait till he feeds it. Wait 1 minute. Look how salty he is, you guys. Look at his square pattern.
So one piece at a time, okay?
There you go.
So you're gonna have to throw one to the rock, okay? Unless you think you can reach him and you stand on top of that thing, because you might be able to
There you go.
reach out.
We gotta go.
We're gonna wait.
This is rare.
Yeah, really. Oh. Yeah, we did that. This little letter.
The American crow. You see those on the side of the highway. There's deer. Look at the antlers on that one. See this one? Let's check out. Look at this. The cougars right here. Megan, there's like 3 right here.
We'll get some more, it's okay.
Oh, told you, they're about to fight. Uh-oh.
We won't do that today. Looks like a train. Petting zoo. It's hard to see it, but yeah. He's right there.
In the water?
No, I want to see this water. Okay. See it's inside. Nature play. These are hard to see. Saving the red panda. Look at that thing. He's just sleeping right there. There's another one here, Megan. Look. He's
You're wrong.
Alright, we got
Yeah, it says the pollinator.
I like this face.
Spider monkey and jaguar. There's a human. That's not the spider monkey. How you say these things again?
Capybara.
Capybara. There it is. In the back.
Oh, it's big. Yeah.
Look, right there. That's Jaguar. There's two.
Wow.
We need that thing in our yard. I got so many anthills.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I need one too.
Damn.
Wow.
That is crazy. Come here, Anteater. What else do they eat besides ants?
Termites, no bugs.
Wait a minute, I don't see his long nose. That is crazy.
Can't
so
see
big.
real well, but they can smell. Boy.
Emperor, South American. Look, there's like 2 or 3 of them.
Oh, that's so funny. Look at the little whiskers. I like this one, the gold one.
Where's it at?
Golden light. It's up in the branch up there.
Look, he's looking at it.
Oh my goodness. Look at his tail. Is it braided?
No, he just has
It
like
looks like it.
a pattern on it.
Oh, this one's cut up.
Hey, buddy.
It does look like a lion, like the name.
Yeah.
Golden lion tarrant. It says they're in Brazil.
Yeah, in the Amazon. Cotton top.
Those are.
It's like they're like roasting their names. They're roasting them by giving them all these names. Cotton top. Look, this one's up here. What is this one called?
The Jeffrey's marmoset.
Yeah, they're all Brazilian, Amazonian.
Yeah, they're all
Look,
like
look.
southeastern Brazil. That one's
Yeah.
fun.
Some type of show over there. Now we're going to deserts and forests of the world. Ladies first. And Noah. I'll meet you over there. A lot of these are put up. Hiding under the rock there. And sand cats sleeping right there. He's right up there.
What did you learn at school today? They're running through this little pipe there.
Right.
Yeah, like that.
The lettuce and carrots. What are they trying to do over here? They're trying to dig on the. There's a fan back there.
That one's like flying.
These are the naked mole rats. Yeah, the foxes.
The little finnick. His ears are so cute.
These are in Africa.
Africa, yeah. The Sahara Desert.
Sand cats over there sleeping in the little. Yeah, it's a different one. He's up there at the top.
Yeah, I see him.
I'm really impressed with the diversity. Look at the Komodo dragon. This is the iguana right here. The Komodo dragon.
Coming at you?
Oh my gosh. It's huge. Usually they're not moving like this.
Yeah. Its back is so stiff. Like,
I think it's scary. And they're like licks. They're poisonous. Like paralyzing. Let's go check this out. Look at this. Look, it just shed it.
oh, I see all the skin. Yeah, it just shed all its skin. Imagine you just see that.
Look at these little turtles. Tortoises. Just crawling. Those are classic North American ones. Can't really see that one. Blending in
Oh my goodness.
a green tree python.
I know that plant I wanted to get before. You know that one?
Hmm?
That plant is the one that I was looking to get before.
Not sure. It's back there, the Bushmaster.
Poison dart.
He's just getting a tan back there in the sun. The other one's on the inside.